Welcome once again, my children, to our next video based on passive voice. So this question that you see on the board is very important. This question comes generally in our exam. So read the recipe of preparing pasta and complete the instructions that follow in the simple present passive form. Instructions are given. I am giving you only an example. How to convert, how to change this into passive voice. So we have to follow instructions accordingly. We have to go step by step. The first step is boil 200 gram of pasta. What is subject here? Subject is hidden here. So you don't bother about the subject because you have to change this into passive voice, where action done is more important than the doer. So boil 200 gram of pasta. So this is the object. This is the verb. Boil what? Boil 200 gram of pasta. So how do we change? 200 gram of pasta. 200 gram of pasta is boiled. Pasta is boiled. Because this is given boiled, this is V1. So we always take V3 in passive voice. Second step, strain out extra water and put the pasta aside. So what is the verb here? Strain out extra water. Strain. Strain. Strain is the verb here. And what is the object? Extra water. Strain out what? Extra water. And put. This is the verb here. This is the verb. Put the pasta aside. And put the pasta aside. So strain out. Strain is the verb here. Strain out what? Extra water. This is the object here. And put the pasta aside. So put is another verb. So how do we convert this into passive voice? Extra water. Extra water. Extra water is strained out. Extra water is strained out. And put the pasta aside. And put the pasta aside. Okay. Now the third step, cut vegetables like onion, bell pepper, cauliflower into small pieces and fry in a pan. So cut. Cut what? Cut is the verb here. Cut is the verb. Vegetables like onion, bell pepper, cauliflower. So these are the objects. Etc. into small pieces and fry. This is another verb. In a pan. So how do we write this? How will we change this into passive voice? Cut vegetables. So I'm writing answer here. Vegetables like onion, bell pepper, cauliflower, are cut. We are using here are. Why? Because are takes always the plural subject. So vegetables like onion, bell pepper and cauliflower. So there are 3 vegetables here. So we are taking are. So students generally make mistake in changing is and are. They generally write is. No, this is wrong. We have to use are because are will agree with the plural subject. So vegetables like onion, bell pepper, cauliflower, etc. are cut into small pieces. Are cut into small pieces and fried. So V3 of rice, fried and fried in a pan. So this is the third step of cooking pasta. Now number 4, add salt and spices. Add. So this is the verb here. You have to, in passive voice, you have to be careful only for the verbs and the object. Once you identify verb and object, you will not make any mistake. And you always remember V3, there is no chance of making mistake in passive voice. So salt and spices. Next step, 4. Number 4. Add. Add is a verb here. So, and salt and spices are the object. So these are two subjects. So they will take plural verb, plural helping verb. So salt and spices, salt and spices are added. Don't put is added. Okay, otherwise it will be wrong. Because students generally make mistakes in is and are, and their marks are deducted in grammar. So this is number 4. Now number 5. Add the boiled pasta to this mixture. Add. Again add is here. Again we will put the V3 of add. The boiled pasta. The object comes first. The boiled pasta is added. Is added. Because pasta is similar here to this mixture. Okay. Done. Now garnish it with sauces of your choice. Garnish it. So garnish is the verb here. Garnish. It is the object. It is the object. So we will write it is garnished, not it are. It is